welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly, I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator application. Firstly, of course, the essential step is downloading the app from the App Store. You can do it right here, as you can see. Just press on install. I'm just showing you on the browser. The interface is going to be very similar on the phone or a tablet. After that, you just need to set up your account. So firstly, you press on get started, as you can see. After that, you can scan the QR code to basically synchronize your account with your Authenticator, depending on what kind of service you're using. And after that, you get the code and Cloud Sync, and you'll see it in here. So basically, you just click on this plus icon, and then you add your corresponding service into your Authenticator. So you just click on the plus, you can scan the QR code, or you can enter a setup key and provide the account's name for identification. After that, the next time you log in into that account, enter the username and password. When prompted, open Google Authenticator, retrieve the code, and input it. If you switch devices, use Apps Transfer Accounts feature to migrate your accounts. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching, guys. Press thumbs up on this video if this helped. Subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.